take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this drugstore affordable makeup look. Very natural, very much soft glam, very much giving what it's supposed to give. So before we get into it, make sure you subscribe down below. We are smooth on the road to 250K strong. Shout out to the gym squad. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment below for what other videos you would like to see. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. In the words of Nikki Tutorials, not to prime is a crime. So I'm priming with my Milani No Pore Zone, and this is a very nice mattifying primer that you can get from the drugstore or Ulta. Definitely affordable products we're using today. This is the Luscious Lip Mask from the Jelly Pop collection with e.l.f. Cosmetics. I just did this because y'all know my lips be crusty. So I'm doing a different little technique to apply my makeup today, but of course going in with the OG Holy Grail e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I'm just concealing everywhere where I normally kind of highlight my face. So under the eye, the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, and my chin area. I like to go in with my concealer first because that allows it to get tacky while I apply my other products. Today's foundation of choice is the NYX Cosmetics Born to Glow foundation, another holy grail foundation that I really love. It gives you a nice skin-like finish and all the glow you want, okay? So to blend this out, I'm actually using a brush just because sometimes I like how the brush gives it a nice like airbrushed finish. So I'm brushing and blending out that foundation into the concealer and just taking my time and doing that. You gotta blend till you can't blend no more, honey. So we just blending until we blend all of this out. And just for your reference, this clip is in full time. It is not sped up. It is not slowed down. This is like real time, me blending out this foundation and concealer. So it takes time. Take your time, blend it out, and you'll love the results. So here we go. So I switched to my NYX 03 brush. I love this brush for blending out foundation. It is like chef's kiss, okay? If you need a foundation brush, get your hands on this, okay? I'll link it in the description box if you're interested. I'm also playing with this concealer from Makeup Revolution. I did not realize that this concealer is literally my exact skin tone, so I was using it to contour / bronze my face a little bit, but it wound up being about my skin color like I said, but it worked to kind of just add a little bit more dimension to the face. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. matte setting powder. This is in the shade 10 to set under the eyes. Again, since I used a brush to do my blending, I figured I'd go ahead and use a brush and set my face. This way I didn't pick up too much powder. And then I'm dusting off the excess and setting the rest of my face with my L'Oreal Fresh Wear Infallible the powder foundation. And I'm bronzing my face with the bronze palette from Juvia's Place. Hopefully y'all can hear my laptop in the background, honey. It is huffing and puffing like your man's or your ex's Xbox and PlayStation, honey, because they ain't got no storage. This thing is hustling, fussing. And anyway, I'm adding that bronzer to my lid just to give a nice little flush of color, and then I'm spraying my face. Now this spray was a little, you know, it shot out at me real fast. I was a little scared, so I blended it out with a sponge so you don't see those like splash marks from where you sprayed the setting spray. Okay, this is a spray, not a mist. All right, so now I'm just taking out my hair, getting into the look, like being like, oh girl, she coming together real nice. And then of course I'm not gonna leave this look without my lashes, honey, so I put on some lashes off camera. These are just some I Envy lashes from the hair store. And then I'm taking my e.l.f. Big Mood mascara to add a little bit of drama to the lower lash line, honey, because we gotta bring the look together. And so I like to take my time on this part because I'm not the best at lower lash mascara. And then in my brow tutorial, you guys were asking me what was that lip combo, honey, and this is it. This is one of these Satin Kiss lip liners from Makeup Revolution. I lined my top lip, Cupid's bow, and then just the outer edges of my bottom lip, and then I topped it off with the e.l.f. lip plumping gloss, and I used the shade Peach Bellini. I was put onto this lip gloss by my girl Sincerely Naya, so shout out to her. But y'all, get into it. Alright guys, this is the finished look of this drugstore affordable makeup look. Is just giving me all the vibes that I needed to give today. I'm hoping to go shoot some photos, so this is a great like on the go soft glam beat, natural beat with this juicy plumpy lip, honey. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're interested in more makeup videos like this, please comment below. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. I love y'all so very much. Thank you for tuning in, and yeah, until next time, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye guys. It's Slim Reshae. Natural beauty. Oh, oh, oh. It's Slim Reshae. All about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.